Maximum productivity. Minimum sound. The silent mechanical switches and sound dampening foam on this keyboard offer a quiet, distraction-free experience when at the office or WFH, while its super durable design lasts for up to 80 million clicks. Comfort with every keystroke. This ergonomically designed keyboard is high on comfort and features keycaps lined with a fingerprint-resistant, soft touch coating, for a luxurious, cushioned feel that makes typing a joy. Superior ergonomic support. The soft, cushioned wrist support perfectly aligns to the keyboard to relieve wrist pressure, providing superior comfort and less strain over long periods of typing. Multitask with a single click. Connect and control up to 4 devices: desktop, laptop, Android tablet and TV screen, while conveniently switching between them without the constant need to pair and unpair. Efficiency at your fingertips. Customize the keyboard to best suit your style, remap keys, record macros, and create personal shortcuts for creative tools or office programs to maximize workflow. Unparalleled wireless freedom. Powered by Razer hyperspeed technology. Keep any workspace looking clean and clutter-free by connecting this keyboard and compatible mice to the same Razer productivity dongle. Top reviews from the United States. Worth every penny. Bought this to use with my WFH setup. Was easy to connect and just feels smooth while typing, and it's almost completely silent. Perfect size, and the padded wrist rest is a nice bonus. Only issue is that it's white. I have to clean it a little more often than my gaming keyboard, but that's to be expected. The Pro Click mouse from Razer is on the same level too.